Hi, this is Lisa with Inspired to Thrive. Today, I wanted to share a fabulous report for those that do Facebook ads. This report is from Agorapulse and it's free to use. If you use Facebook, you know how complicated the business manager can get. And if you want to share reports, it's usually through Excel spreadsheets, which aren't pretty. But Agorapulse has a fabulous solution. And their solution is a report that is so easy to read and understand that when you share it with anyone, they get it. I actually have one here to show you. These work for either Facebook boosts and or ads themselves. And you can see the results right there. They also have another report that can give you further information. It's if you show them more metrics, it'll give you the landing pages. It'll give you a lot of information. That basic report I showed you, though, shows you how much was spent, how many clicks, how many conversions if it's a conversion campaign. And isn't that what most people want to know? What did I spend? What were the results? This report shows it plain and simple. And the best part, it actually shows what those ads look like so that if someone forgot, which ad did we run in this particular campaign, it shows right there in the report. And it's free. You just have to hook up your Facebook account with Agorapulse. You can also try the rest of their products. I love scheduling with Agorapulse and also running social media reports for clients. It's very simple, very fast, and it shows the best times to run posts on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and it tells you when your audience is on. And they change from time to time because your audience changes. So I look at those every month to see what are the best times, dates. It also tells you the best type of post. Was it a link? Was it a video? Or was it just a pure photo? And then it shows you the best performing posts on all those networks. So it's a fabulous tool. If you haven't tried them, do try them. You're going to love it. I know I do. Have a great day, and I hope you're doing well.